Romel Santos. By all indications, knowing, pumasok. That's the second successful break para sa Taguig. Anybody can actually play para dito sa kupunan ng Taguig. But I believe it will be, knowing how Jaynard thinks, lahat na nakaikot. Another open layout here. Pinasok ni Romel Santos kanina.
Well, this could be it. This could be the chance na makakaroon ng...
Walang humihingi nun.
Wala. Yun ang kita ko naman kasing kayang-kaya naman
Sige,
na.
tago mo sa likod na 7.
Kaya. Walang problema dito.
Oh, this is gonna get Taguig on the hill. Santos puts it away. 12-5 advantage now.